Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Nazali Vlog and Recipes. Today I'm going to share with you a very special recipe, Mumbai style Dahi Kadhi with crispy onion pakoda, made just the way my mom prepares it. So let's get started. First, we will make a smooth paste. In a blender, add 3 green chilies, adjust to your taste, 2-inch piece of ginger chopped, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, a handful of coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of gram flour. I use this spoon. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, add 5 to 6 spoons of curd and salt to taste. Blend everything into a smooth paste and keep it aside. Now, my mom's style is always add crispy onion pakodas to the kadhi. So, let's prepare them. Here, I have taken 3 medium size onion, 1 green chilli chopped, a handful of curry leaves and coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3-4 tablespoons of gram flour, add more if needed, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of red chilli powder, salt to taste. Mix well with your hands without adding water. Cover and rest for 10 minutes so the onions release their own moisture. Then shape all pakodas and fry until golden and crispy. Now heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. Add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 3 to 4 crushed garlic clove and 1 sprig of curry leaf. Mix it well. Then add the prepared paste along with some water. Pour in half cup water, rinse the blender jar and add that too. Cook on low flame, stirring continuously until the curry thickens slightly. Add more water if needed for your desired consistency. Finally, add in the crispy onion pakoras just like my mom always does and let them soak in the curry for 2 to 3 minutes. And that's it. Our Mumbai famous Dahi Kadhi, my mom's style, is ready. Serve hot with steamed rice or chapati and trust me, you will love it. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Nazali Vlog and Recipe for more delicious recipes. See you in my next video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.